how to fix Windows Update error code 8007000C1 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this also, the first workaround is clean boot Windows 11. Press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box and type msconfig. Press OK. And system configuration window will open. Here go to services, check against option hide all Microsoft services and choose disable all. Thereafter go to a startup tab. From the top menu bar, open task manager and all the enable startup apps, manually disable it. Right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process one by one for all the enable startup apps. Close the window. The next work, run Windows Update troubleshooters. To do so, right click on a start button. Under system settings, go to troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and run the Windows Update troubleshooters. Let the window complete the process. It will not only detect the issue, fix them accordingly. The next method to fix Windows Update error code, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator and in command prompt Windows execute dism tool. These three commands execute one by one: dism scan health, dism check health and dism restore health. Execute these three commands one by one followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. Thereafter run sfc scan now to check any corrupted files in your system and repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system. The another method to fix this issue is go to run command box again and type regedit to open registry editor windows in your system. Here go to H key local machine, expand it, expand system, expand current control set, expand services, and here look for MSI servers. MSI server, select it, thereafter go to right side and double click on and choose the value 2 under value data box and press OK. After that, restart your system. The next workaround to fix this issue is and reset network. Go to network and internet, advanced network settings and click on network reset. Choose reset now. After that, restart your system. That's all.